If you've ever hit the limit of using a maximum of 50 audio tracks in your Canva project, this video is for you. Today, we'll explore an easy solution to bypass this limitation. Here, I have a Canva video project that has reached the 50 audio track limit. If I try to add another one, Canva won't allow it. This restriction applies even if you're on a paid subscription. To solve this issue, the first step is to export a portion of your video. I'll choose this page 3 as my cutoff point, as all of the 50 audio tracks are used in pages 1 and 2. When I click the export button, I'll make sure to select only page 1 and page 2. Here is the exported video downloaded on my computer with the audio tracks. Coming back to Canva, we now have two options: remove both the pages, page 1 and page 2 along with the audio tracks, or only remove the audio tracks. If you strongly feel that the section of the video before page 3 is complete and won't require any further edits, simply delete everything before this page. Then, upload the downloaded video back into Canva. Add it to your timeline. And you'll be able to use another 50 audio tracks. However, I prefer the second option of just removing the audio tracks. So, first we will remove these 50 audio tracks. Now we need to extract audio from the video we downloaded earlier. You can use any free online tool for this. A link to one such tool is in the description. Here's how it works: upload the video file we just downloaded, select the Save as MP3 option from the drop-down menu, and click Convert. Let the processing finish, and once over, you can download the extracted audio file to your computer. Coming back to our Canva project, we need to upload the extracted audio file and add it to the timeline. And that's it. With the 50 audio tracks replaced by a single track, you now have the ability to use another 49 tracks without any limitations. Since we didn't replace the video pages, you can still make changes to your design. For example, you can change the color of this text here without any complication. If you want to insert another page in between, you can split the audio, add your new page, and insert a new audio track in between. This method retains the original video pages, giving you the flexibility to edit your project as needed. Which might be a bit tricky to achieve with option 1. That's how you can easily get rid of the 50 audio track limit in Canva. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support our channel. Thanks for watching.